I'm Pat Iyer, an experienced legal nurse consultant. I have worked with hundreds of subcontractors. The following characteristics stand out for me. Be quick. I knew nurses who wanted to be LNCs but couldn't figure out how to use the computer template or organize or analyze medical records. They read every word of the extraneous information found in medical records. Beginners need a learning curve, but this has its limits. Company owners avoid sending attorneys unjustifiably large invoices. They can't charge attorneys for a lot of learning time. Ask yourself honestly if you're a quick learner. If you're not, LNC work may not be for you. Point number 2, be responsive. My attorney's clients suggest to me their biggest complaint is that they called expert witnesses saying they needed a report and they never received a response. Then they called me. I dreaded those calls. Non-responsive subcontractors didn't last long with me. An LNC who gives you cases needs you to return phone calls and meet deadlines. There's often no room to negotiate an extension of deadlines. Number 3, be reliable. Attorneys have non-negotiable court-imposed deadlines. They don't want to hear that your car broke down, or that you waited till the last minute, or your computer crashed. There's usually no leeway. Number 4, be coachable. Be open to feedback, to look at the proofreading somebody else has done to your report, and learn from the suggestions. Your work product must be impeccable. Number 5, be ethical. It's unethical for an attorney to go behind the legal nurse consultant's back and attempt to hire you. If the LNC boss asks you to sign a non-compete agreement, follow its terms. Even if you didn't, it's an unwritten rule that you will not attempt to steal the LNC's client. You will be labeled as untrustworthy. Learn much more about the details of being a subcontractor in LNC Subcontracting, How to Boost Your Business at this link, lnc.tips/creating series.